अंशू त्यानंतर
कम कम नमस्कार ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಂತರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಂತರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕಮ್ ಕಮ್ ಈ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಂ
What is okay, mobile. Mine is good. Mine is bad and this is good.
Hey, you are good.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ
Let's start the debate on mobile.
What?
First, mobile spoils our health. It's often that the mobile spoils our health, and it makes us addicted toward it. And without mobile, we can live. But using mobile makes our health spoil. So this is the first reason for that the mobile should not be used. We can use the small cell phones, but the screen touch and the quality phones which are made today, that should never be used.
No, I don't agree with you because nowadays internet is very useful thing, and without internet computers can't work, smartphones can't work, and also without internet the online class was also impossible during the pandemic. And I think we can't stop using mobiles because it's nowadays has become a daily need to us, and without mobile I think we can't live because it's very useful to us and also it can harm us.
Here I agree with you, but there is a point which is that you are talking not only about the mobiles, you are talking about computers. So I want to include computer in my point. The reason is that mobile spoils and it makes us addicted. But we can, instead of mobile, we can use other technologies such as computers, because computers never attract us. Because the computer can be used during a small period of time, and while the mobile, you are talking about the internet, the mobile uses internet, and the internet spoils the health of all the birds, and without birds we can contact to each other. That's my point.
But yes, it spoils the health of birds, but we can make the less use of internet, and I think we can by using modern technologies, and I think we can like make use of less internet, and also I think by new things the scientists might invent like introduce new things so that the birds can't get dead.
So that's only my point. We have to stop using the modern phones. We can use small cell phones which doesn't spoil which doesn't take radiations.
But in small phones there is no internet, and without no internet nowadays our work is not possible.
How? Before it was possible, now how it cannot be possible? I want the reason.
Because nowadays our data is stored in that. Today in schools all the biographies of teachers, students, everything is stored in that, and without
Before this, teachers could have been taught. We have seen great scientists without using phones, they have come here. So why we can't without
no,
phones?
we can't because that was past and this is future.
No.
No.
How it is possible? I want a reason.
No, because nowadays
This is not a reason that past, this is future.
Oh, wonderful.
What?
Sir, you have to only tell. Is this a correct point?
No, sir. Nowadays we can't live without mobile. I think we can make less use of mobile, but can't living without
You
mobile.
are telling we can't live, but give me reason why we can't live.
Because nowadays we get news from that. We get all the data is stored in that.
We can get news from TV. We can store.
For TV also, it can come in mobile also. Why TV?
Because mobile takes more radiation and TV takes less. For your kind information.
But also we can't live without mobile.
I want reason.
I told you the reason. The data, every personal data is stored in mobile. The photographs are stored in mobile.
No, photographs can be stored in the small phones. Nowadays the Jio company has come.
Only in Jio mobiles, except that
We can buy, everyone can buy Jio phones.
Except Jio phones.
Other phones have also come.
Like you told that.
In Nokia also we can keep.
In Nokia, no.
We can.
No, we
If we
can't.
put memory card, we can. I can show the proof if I get a Nokia phone.
It's not there.
So what will bring? So I want another correct point, exact to opposite to me. In some of the points, you are getting corrected me. You are correcting me, not yourself. So I want exact point. Why should be mobile used?
Why should be mobile used? Because it helps us daily.
What it helps?
What it helps? Because we can make phone calls easily.
We can make phone calls by small phones.
We can't make video calls and all from.
Why is
We
video call
can't.
necessary?
We can't create meetings from small phones.
Yes.
Yeah, because in that the internet connection will be not there. We can't visit any websites because in smartphones.
I want a little time. That's what the thing I wanted you to tell to everyone, that the mobile are making us lazy. We don't have
No, it
time.
is not making us
We
lazy.
don't have time to go and attend our
Easy.
meeting. Sir, am I correct?
No,
It
it's
is
not. It's not making us easy. It's making our work easy, not easy.
How?
If you are going to school, it takes it takes you time to go there. In home, just connect the internet and the meeting will come.
It is making ourselves use. But what about other animals, birds and other living creatures?
Yeah, this
Because here, the human beings, we want our next generation to see all the birds we have seen. But do we want to use cell phones? That to touch screen, which takes more radiation and which harms the birds.
I give up.
Okay.
Good mobile. But we can't live without mobile.
I can.
Yes.
We can't live without
So in this
mobile.
debate
As
competition,
I agree.
Huh?
We can't live without mobile.
So some people who have been addicted, they can live. But the next generation.
No. Small phone. Small phone is also mobile. Big phone is also mobile. I said we can't live without mobile. Either big phone, either small phone. We can't live without.
This point should have been come before.
yes. So Mr. Saad won in this debate. Okay. So according to Saad, so we live without mobile. Okay. So agree this one because nowadays 5G, they now told 5G, fifth generation. So it is very harmful to human being. So birds also. So but if suppose we are using internet, so the work is very fast. Okay, but work is very
Sir,
fast.
but it is not making us lazy. It's making our work easy.
Work is easy and very fast, but it will affect on human being or birds, animals, etc. So in this debate, Saad is winner. So no argue. So okay, God bless you.